Hello, this is your boy Miguel from the Mobile Mechanic 757, just to tell you another wonderful story of a day in the life of a mechanic. Had a wonderful customer that I've worked with numerous times. This particular customer called me. I was actually under a car, so I didn't have the ability to sit down and have a long, blown-out conversation. And the person wanted me to look at their vehicle. I said, no problem, go to the website. And they kept saying, something's wrong with your website. There was nothing wrong with the website because I'm the one that built it. And I can see when people are looking, and I could even see what city you're looking from. So I knew that he was on the website, and he said, oh, I can't, it ain't working. Can I just make it over the phone with you? I said, no, all customers make their appointment online, and you 100% interact. With that being said, the customer said, I need my vehicle looked at today. And I said, well, I do not know if I have any time today, but you can go online and whatever it says is available. The customer went up there and paid for the diagnostics. Our diagnostics are prepaid, so we don't worry about if we're going to get paid or not. The 95 goes towards the labor. Customer calls back and says, there's a glitch in your system. And I said, what kind of glitch is in the system? Mind you, I'm the one that made the website and made it all together. So I'm also a computer technician, by the way. I just don't fix cars. I'm also a computer technician, A+, network certified, and all that great stuff. So anyway, the point of the story is, he said, well, I want my money back because it says Tuesday and there's a glitch. I said today. I said, sir, you interact 100%. Our policy is you cannot cancel the day before or the day of, or you're going to get a $65 cancellation fee, because we don't have time for you to make appointments and then now you just bumped off somebody else because you don't want to, whatever going on. So we got to protect ourselves because time is money and time is also gas. So the customer says, well, I want my money back. And I said, well, let me take a look at the system. And he kept cutting me off saying yes or no. And I said, sir, don't tell me yes or no. I'm going to tell you exactly how the procedures are. No, you will tell me yes or no if I'm going to get my money back. And I said, if you want to resolve this, you will let me speak or I'm going to hang up the phone. It's not, the conversation will be over with. Okay, go right ahead. I'm going to let you. I said, you're not letting me do anything. I said, let me finish the job I'm doing. I'm going to go to the system and see exactly what happened and then go from there. Well, I want a yes or no. I'm going to get my money back. I said, because of your attitude, I'm going to make sure, glitch or no glitch, you're getting your money back today. And matter of fact, you're not a qualified customer anymore, and our business is terminated, and I refuse service, and our business is concluded. I gave his money back. That was against our policy, but I will not deal with any kind of customers who have nastiness, entitlement, or not listening, or just being completely rude. So if you're doing this kind of business or any other business, do not put up with it in any shape, form, or way. If you like this videos, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.